our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to edit viral TikTok videos using CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to edit viral TikTok videos using CapCut, all you gotta do is simply edit it by starting a new project with aspect 9:16 ratio. So once you have synced your clips to trending audio by splitting and adjusting speed, like slowing down for smooth effect and speeding for like different kind of high effects or highlights, you can simply do it. So you can use overlays like white backgrounds for glow, animations, fade in out, and effects like sharpness and brightness for visual appeal. Then you can add your auto caption and export directly to TikTok for seamless sharing. So you can also use some templates that you can auto share to your TikTok and use the high quality setting of 1080p. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.